In this segment we're going to go over the MPEG-4 digital video recording and the 6 megapixel digital still images that the MPVR can capture. First we'll go over the MPEG-4 digital video. Now to start your MPEG-4 digital video recording, it's as easy as pressing the button on the left hand side here, which is the record button, which my thumb is covering. You press it one time and the camera will automatically start recording digital video at VGA 640 by 480 at 30 frames a second, which is pretty much unheard of in this type of category product. To stop the video, you simply press the button one more time and now the video has stopped recording.